Scratch is a free online computer science resource. I've given you an example of some of the block-based coding from Scratch. I want you to look at this block-based coding and then answer the questions. Whenever I mention the word sprite in a question, that refers to a character that is being coded or programmed within Scratch. So as we look at these blocks, we see that when the green flag is clicked, which could also be called the run or the play button. When the green flag is clicked, move 10 steps, play sound meow until done, say hello. So now I want you to answer these questions. How many steps will the sprite move? Type your answer in the answer blank. What sound will play when the program is started? What will the sprite say? Once you've answered these questions, if you would like to explore Scratch, try some of these links. You can click on the tutorials link and it will take you to a page within Scratch that has several tutorials to walk you through creating a program in Scratch. I would encourage you to start with the Getting Started program because it's going to introduce you with dragging and dropping blocks and all of the different workspaces that are within Scratch. So for instance, here is the tutorial for the introduction to get started. There's a video here that you would want to watch and listen to that demonstrates how to drag and drop blocks, how to animate your sprite, add more sprites, that type of thing. So I do encourage you to look through the list of tutorials. Another one that's good to get started is animate a name. And you might just want to start by animating one letter of your name and then move forward. So that's one option for Scratch. If you would like to explore what others have done on Scratch, click on the games link that I've attached, and you can see some games that other people have created. Now, this is a public space, so you may come across games that have been coded and programmed that do not actually work. So again, anyone can share what they've created here because this is a public space. But it is interesting to see what others have done. You can also explore topics such as art, music, stories, etc. And then last but not least is the create link, which takes you straight to creating your own project. And if you're just beginning, it's going to encourage you to try that get started tutorial as well, but you can always close it and then get started by dragging and dropping your blocks to animate your sprite. So I do encourage you, if you have time and you would like to explore Scratch after completing this assignment. If you have any questions, email me at smithla@whitehallsd.org.